what's up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I'm addicted to TikTok. Who isn't? Anyway, when I first got onto TikTok, I was following all of these funny kind of comedy videos, and then it started directing me towards healthy food recipes. I'm targeted, okay? TikTok knows what I want. They know that I am looking for healthy recipes. I am looking for life hacks. So I took it upon myself, you're welcome, to test these healthy recipes and see if they're actually any good. So that's what we're gonna do. As always, if you haven't subscribed, followed me on Instagram or TikTok yet, go ahead and do that, and let's get into the video. Hi guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this morning's TikTok recipe. She's ready to eat. And today we are making homemade everything bagels. I've seen this recipe all over TikTok and I knew I had to try it. It's 3-ingredient homemade bagels. Imagine the endless possibilities for combinations. I'm thinking like cinnamon bagels, sesame bagels, onion bagels, garlic bagels, poppy seed, that's my favorite. Comment down below what your favorite bagel is. Pulling up the TikTok now.
This recipe is going to change your life for breakfast. 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You're going to add 1 cup of Greek non-fat yogurt and stir it until it's all combined and it forms a dough. Lightly brush with an egg wash and sprinkle with everything but the bagel seasoning.
Best part.
Bake at 375 for 25 minutes. And there you have it, homemade bagels.
Those just look so good. I am such a bagel person. We're going to get back into my station and start making these. Here are my little everything bagel babies. I doubled the recipe, as in I made 2 instead of 4 because they were too small otherwise. And I like big, thick bagels. 25, probably 30 minutes. I am so impressed right now. These little babies have risen. Oh my goodness. These look phenomenal. They smell so good. So what I'm gonna do is make my little creations and then we're gonna try it. Oh, I'm so excited. That crunch though. Oh my god. Okay guys, it's the moment we've been waiting for. It's time for the taste test. This is heavy. This is a big ass bagel. Like this is how I like to eat my bagels. We're gonna try. Oh my god. That is so good, you guys. Holy crap. That's delicious. Perfect amount of like crunch and then like soft, gooey, doughy. This is a 10 out of 10. It is slightly like spongy, so I'm not sure it would pass the Paul Hollywood Great British Bake Off test, but it passes the emmafranceslev test, and I think that's what matters here. So I did make 2 really big ones instead of 4 different ones. So you could end up lowering the temperature a little bit to bake the inside a little bit more so that the outside doesn't just get continually more crispy. Wow, I can't believe I made this. Tell me what your favorite bagel combination is as well down below, because I really want to know. So good. I'm gonna eat this all right now. I love health hacking my way to eating vegetables. So sneaking vegetables into any recipe, I am a huge fan of, and that's what we're doing today. I found this recipe on Dev Windsor's TikTok. We're gonna check it out.
So I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy, easy lunch. It's eggplant parm or eggplant pitas. First, you salt both sides of the eggplant. After cutting it in half, set it on a paper towel for at least 15 to 30 minutes so that the liquid runs out, and then you're gonna bake them for 400 degrees for around 10 minutes.
Let me start the oven really fast.
So when they're almost done cooking, you take them out and you flip them over. Spread on some marinara or pizza sauce. Take any kind of cheese that you like. I'm using pizza blend, and sprinkle over the top. Then if you want to be crazy, take some pepperoni, or I don't like pepperoni, but take any toppings you like. I'm just doing some basil. Now you're gonna put this in the oven until the cheese is all melty. And you take it out, and voila! Bon appetit.
That looks so good. Got my little eggplant, and we'll, I guess, dehydrate them, and then we'll make our little pizzas. Let's do it. Okay, now's the super fun part where I'm gonna show you guys what toppings I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna make them all like a little bit different. I'm gonna incorporate some baby spinach. I'm gonna slice up some chicken apple sausage. These are already cooked, so I'm just gonna slice them up and use them like pepperoni. I'm gonna slice up some mushrooms. I feel like that would be really yummy. Obviously, I have my cheese ready. We're gonna add some basil. This is living basil, so I'm gonna put it in a pot after this. And then I have some ricotta cheese, which I feel like would be super, super yummy. Okay, I don't have any pizza sauce, so I'm just using this pasta sauce. And I'm gonna do like a bunch of seasonings. I'll do salt, pepper, red hot chili flakes, and Italian seasoning. That'll be so good. Okay, I'm gonna prep them now. Okay, these babies have been cooking in the oven for like 10 minutes. And now I'm gonna put the toppings on. So I tried to add some variety in my little pizzas, as you can see. So these two guys have ricotta on it, some extra olive oil, and hot pepper flakes, along with basil, obviously. This one has ricotta and mozzarella, mushrooms, spinach, and chicken apple sausage. And then these are all mostly the same. I added Italian seasoning on top. It's just spinach, basil, mushroom, and then the chicken apple sausage. I am really excited to see how these taste. I have a feeling that these two are gonna be the best ones. So I'm gonna serve Nick and I up some plates and we'll do a taste test. We're gonna be enjoying dinner out here tonight. I wanna get your reaction.
You know how much I love you?
You love me?
I love you because you pick up on the little things that you know that I like.
Aw.
Including meals like this. It
Including
looks
it.
so well plated. Do I just pick it
That-
up and eat it?
I might consider fork and knife.
Fork and knife.
It's like eggplant parmesan slash like pizzas.
Mmm,
Yeah?
really good.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That is so good.
It kind of reminds me of like a mushroom.
It does. It's nice and salty.
Mmm. It's really good.
Oh my god. Okay, we're on the last recipe. We are making a healthy chocolate chip cookie dough shake. Hello? Yes? I'm gonna pull up the TikTok. It was created by Mango Lux. And she makes so many delicious looking recipes. So here we go. She has a food processor. I'm gonna have to put it in my blender. I'm here, let's do it. Okay, I just have my ingredients laid out here. We've got the salt, honey, I'm gonna use oat milk. I only have almond flour, so I'm gonna use that. Vanilla extract, baking powder, garbanzo beans, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. I am so ready for this. I have the cookie dough in the freezer. Now we're making the actual shake. What I did is I pre-cut 2 bananas before I put them in the freezer because I thought this would be easier for the blender to blend them. And then I've got my Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt and I'm gonna use the oat milk as well. And I'm gonna blend. All right, I've got the banana shake here and my cookie dough here. I'm putting it in a little mason jar. Here we go. All right, here it is. It's a little melty. Look at that. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. And it tastes damn good. That is amazing. It is super banana-y, so you've been warned. All right, this is phenomenal. I wish it was a little bit thicker, and I wonder if I could play around with that. But I love the chunks of cookie dough in it, and it actually doesn't taste like bean. It tastes mostly like peanut butter. And then you've got those chocolate chips, those little chunks of chocolate coming through. It is a little liquidy, as I mentioned. So if you have like a better blender than I do, or if you want to add more ice, maybe that'll help. But this is so good. I am like so proud right now. I would totally make this again. Those were all the TikTok food recipes, guys. If you want to see me do a part 2, a part 3, let me know. And then if there are also any recipes in particular or viral TikToks that you've seen, go ahead and link them in the comments because I'll check them out. I still can't stop thinking about the bagels. That's it from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.